Politicians write laws, but what happens when a political majority pushes too far? They can pass flawed legislation that actively strips away basic fundamental rights. Without a neutral referee to step in, a democracy quickly devolves into simple majority rule. The loudest voices, or the wealthiest organizations, win every single time. The Indian legal system is the purpose-built architecture designed specifically to prevent that collapse. It operates as the ultimate protector of the Constitution. To guarantee fairness for over 1 billion people across a massive subcontinent, this system relies on a highly structured, 3-tiered hierarchy. The judiciary operates as a structural safeguard, ensuring the law actually serves the public, rather than the politicians currently holding office. This pyramid outlines the physical and jurisdictional structure of the courts. It forms an ascending ladder engineered to handle specific scales of legal disputes. At the ground level, you find the district courts. This is the primary interaction point for most citizens, where judges resolve local conflicts and uphold basic civic order. Move up a rung and you reach the state level, the high courts. Every state has one to serve as the regional appellate authority and to guard citizen rights on a broader, statewide scale. Finally, at the apex sits the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi. It is the final, absolute authority in the legal system. This precise stacking ensures that a local grievance has a clear path upward, culminating in one unified voice for justice. That this hierarchy falls apart if outside forces can manipulate it. Its most critical design feature is complete independence from government pressure. This separation allows legal professionals and judges to weigh facts and apply the law freely, without anticipating political retaliation. Independence gives the courts their sharpest mechanism, judicial review. When the state writes a law, courts evaluate it directly through the Constitution. If they identify a mismatch, like violating fundamental rights, the judiciary has the authority to completely invalidate it. Without that independence and the power to review legislation, the courts would be completely unable to protect a citizen against an overreaching state. A well-designed structural hierarchy doesn't automatically equal flawless execution. The reality of navigating the Indian legal system involves heavy operational friction. Taking a case to court is notoriously expensive and involves years of delays. To address the specific access gap, the system relies on a built-in patch, public interest litigation, or PIL. PIL rewrites the rules of standing. It allows any individual to file a case demanding social justice or public welfare, even if they aren't the ones directly suffering the harm. This triggers formal, authoritative legal proceedings that force the state to answer for systemic failures. Mechanisms like PIL democratize access to the courts, ensuring that constitutional protections don't remain abstract theories locked inside a textbook. From the local district courtroom to the apex in the capital, the Indian judiciary maintains social order and secures the survival of the democratic state.